Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Nitika. This is a new channel. I am very fond of styling, fashion, skincare, hair care. So I thought, why not come up with a channel and share with all of you. So आज हम एक बहुत बेसिक सा मेकअप वीडियो करेंगे involving very less products and in fact using each of the product in two areas or for two things. So we'll try to minimalize it and bring the best effect possible. So this will be a very basic makeup. I will not be using a foundation. It's only a BB cream based makeup, but it has worked well for me. So let's go ahead. Okay, to begin with, I've tied up my hair, I've washed my face, and I will now just apply a moisturizer. आप लोग अपने हिसाब से आपकी स्किन टाइप के हिसाब से जो मॉइस्चराइजर सूट करे वो आप लोग यूज़ करिए. मेरे को ये रेकुल का प्रोडक्ट is helping a lot. I'll make a separate video on this brand. I'm liking a lot of its products, but for now, this is what helps me now. So, So cover all of your areas on the face, on the neck. Make sure you don't take too much of the moisturizer or too less of it. It should just be the right quantity covering every part of your face nicely. Okay, after this, I will not be using a primer because I don't plan to keep this makeup for long. But in case आप ये makeup office wear के लिए regular 9 hours के लिए लगा रहे हो and you're not finishing it up again, so I would recommend you use a primer after this. So right now I won't be using it. I would directly be diving in with my BB cream. This is a recent discovery and it has helped me like crazy. It has also actually improved my skin. So इसमें सनस्क्रीन भी होता है, इसमें स्किन हेल्थ का प्रोडक्ट भी होता है, सो दैट वे इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर स्किन ऑल्सो द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इट इज़ मोस्ट मोर लाइक अ क्रीम. सो आई डोंट हैव टू वरी कि ये ड्राई हो जाएगा या टू ऑयली हो जाएगा. इट इज़ जस्ट एप्ट फॉर माई स्किन. सो यू कैन अप्लाई इट इन टू वेज. या तो आप हाथ से लेके डायरेक्टली इसको ऐसे ऐसे करके एंड यू कैन रब इट. आई प्रेफर यूजिंग अ पफ. वेयर इज इट इसको पूरे फेस में लगा लें. सबसे अच्छी बात इसमें यह है कि यू डोंट हैव टू वरी कि ओ नो मैंने ज़्यादा ले लिया, ओ नो मैंने कम ले लिया. एंड एक्चुअली आई प्रेफर अप्लाइंग इट अक्रॉस द आइज ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड द कलर इज़ राइट. सो इसमें तीन ही कलर्स आते हैं, लाइट, डार्क एंड मीडियम. एंड मीडियम इज़ द वन विच सूट्स मी द बेस्ट. In fact, for most of the Indian skins, unless you're very fair or on a darker side. Okay, so now I will just puff it out and make it even. ये बहुत ही आराम से स्प्रेड हो जाता है. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक फाउंडेशन कि आपको बहुत टाइम लगाना है. दिस होल मेकअप लुक आई बीन वेयरिंग टू ऑफिस. इट टेक्स हार्डली 10 minutes एंड ट्रस्ट मी आई सेव सो मच टाइम सिंस देन. सी कितने अच्छे से ब्लेंड होता है. यू डोंट इवन हैव टू वरी कितनी बार प्रेस किया, कितनी बार पुश किया, कितनी बार वॉट ऑल किया. This is one cream which I can even rub like this and it won't look bad. Just look at the shine in the skin already. It gives a very good shine. मैंने ना प्राइमर लगाया है ना कोई ऐसा ग्लोई बेस लगाया है, but it's all there. Okay, so you can see it now. ओके अगर आपके बहुत डार्क सर्कल्स हैं एंड यू फील दैट यू रियली नीड टू हाइड समथिंग, एक्चुअली बीबी क्रीम वर्क्स गुड इनफ अराउंड योर आइज ऑल्सो. बट इफ़ यू फील यू कैन यूज़ कंसीलर. आई डोंट थिंक आई नीड इट नाउ बट स्टिल आई विल यूजिंग अ लिटिल बिट. मैं ये एल ए गर्ल का प्रो कंसीलर यूज़ कर रही हूँ. आई बी यूजिंग वेरी लिटिल. Make sure that you don't leave your concealer. You press it with your fingers as soon as you put it there, otherwise it becomes a little cakey. So this concealer I've actually been wanting to change it. I have been using it for a long, long time now, but it serves me well, especially when I have my BB cream put up. So I think this does the job well. uh, with time it will settle a little bit more. I just use my eyebrow pencil. Frankly मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा eyebrow pencil डिटेलिंग में यूज़ करना उतना पसंद नहीं है, because I don't really have that shape on my eyebrow. I'm still trying to grow the hairs there, but it gives a look to the overall makeup. So मैं बहुत ही हल्का सा ब्रश करती हूँ and I fill up a little bit of it. सो आप देख सकते हैं कि मेरी आईब्रो अभी काफ़ी बुरे हाल में है. आई हैव टू फिगर आउट अ वे. Okay, so this is done. I would just apply a little bit of powder, because just to set it up a little bit. And I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the color 25 medium. So मैं ये भी बहुत हल्का सा यूज़ करती हूँ. I'll just take a little bit of this brush and put it on it. ये थोड़ा सा लुक और सटल कर देता है, and overall it gives a nice finish, so I prefer putting it up. And finally I'll apply my eyeliner. So this is Color Bar waterproof liquid eyeliner. I love it. And इसके पहले I was using Maybelline का eyeliner. उसमें थोड़ा सा shine था, which was something which I used to like. But shine दिन में बहुत अलग लगता है. So I use this for day, and I use Maybelline that shining one for parties or going out in the night. So bus we'll apply it. I'll have to go and look in the mirror, so I'll just apply and come back. Okay, so I'm back after the liner. This is again optional. It depends what looks good on you, या आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको क्या नहीं चाहिए. मेरे को personally, I need something on my eyes, either a kajal or a liner. Recently मैंने liners use करना ज़्यादा शुरू किया है, because after the kajal I noticed my dark circles increased, because उसका जो color होता है that smudges a little bit. So I personally like this more, and it is very quick also. It overall just gives a very, very classy look to you. So this is how it looks, and I am almost done. Mascara, if you want, you can, and I'll show you which one I'm using. Maybelline Hyper Curl. This is awesome. I have been using it for like more than 6 months now, and uh, it's it's been equally good. So I'll just apply a little bit, not too much, जिससे वो अलग से जो इफ़ेक्ट आता है कर्ल्स का, I don't want that on my lashes. So this is there. I'm not using a curler right now or anything else, because this is a very, very minimalist makeup video. And then for the final touch, जो हम लोग आजकल नहीं लगा पा रहे हैं because of the mask, but whenever we get a chance, a little bit of lipstick. I love this color. I'll just tell you which one it is. Okay, so this is Sugar. I don't know the color. Maybe Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick, 17 Brandy Harrington. This is the one. This is my second piece, and it's almost finished. And the best part about this is I don't really apply a blush separately. I just put it like this. So I did not used to wear blushes pehle, but then I realized the kind of finish it gives to your face, and it should just very, very, nicely merge in your skin. That is exactly the look that I want when I go out in a day or anything else. So this is my final look, and I'm ready to step out if I had a chance. So I hope you like this makeup. आप देख सकते हैं कि BB क्रीम से मेरे फेस में कैसा शाइन है. Otherwise there was no shine on my skin, and I haven't really applied anything glowy. So this is a secret, basic makeup in 10 minutes that I do. I hope it helped. If you liked it, please comment, share, and if you want any other specific video, please put it on the comment box and I will make that for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Bye.